It's the Weather Xtreme video, the afternoon edition for Friday, the 10th of February. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather for the weekend will feature a few showers, nothing especially heavy, nothing especially widespread. Let's go ahead and check things out today. Beautiful day today. So nice. We started off the day down in the 20s. We're comfortable this afternoon. Just a few high cirrus clouds overhead, very thin. And look at that. We started off the day between 25 and 30 in most spots. And this afternoon, most everybody up in the mid-60s. Birmingham at 66. Tuscaloosa and Shelby County Airport at 67. Feels awfully nice. Around the nation, the cold air mainly over Canada and the northeastern states with a big snow cover up there. Temperatures up in the Texas Panhandle are up in the 90s in spots. How about that? On the watch warning map, we've got some issues back in the western states with snow and flooding. But the east and the southeast is fairly quiet. Those pink counties in Oklahoma and Missouri and Kansas, those are red flag warnings because of the wildfire danger there. Here's the convective outlook for the rest of today and tonight. Maybe some thunderstorms over parts of northern California. No severe weather expected around the nation. And the rain for the next 5 days, valid through Friday evening of next week. This is suggesting rain amounts of about 1/2 inch. We might see more than that Wednesday of next week. I still think that might be a fairly good rain event for the state. And we're starting to see some better model clarity now. So here we go. The GFS, this is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at noon. Zonal flow, a surface boundary to the north, and moisture levels increasing. The sky becoming cloudy. There could be a few widely scattered showers, but like we said, nothing heavy, nothing widespread. And a very mild day. The high should be around 70. Sunday, again, the chance of a few showers, cloudy, mild. Highs up in the low 70s. Rain amounts, not especially heavy, under 1/4 inch for most spots. Don't think we see any thunder and lightning. Just keep in mind a few passing showers a possibility. And then Monday, we are cooler and drier. Highs in the 50s, lows Monday morning in the 30s. The sky should be mostly sunny. Tuesday looking dry. Good deal of sunshine. Same thing, lows in the 30s and highs in the 50s. And now the GFS beginning to trend toward the European, showing rain across the state Wednesday of next week with a broad surface low near New Orleans. Here's the European on Wednesday. It's got a deeper surface low that's located near Demopolis. And if this is right, we'll have a pretty good bit of rain for the northern half of the state. Some thunderstorms possible for South Alabama and maybe severe weather near the Gulf Coast, but not where we are Wednesday of next week. But clearly a pretty good chance of rain. And then Thursday, we are cool and dry. We should be around freezing to start the day. The high will be around 50. And here's a week from today, Friday the 17th, troughing on the East Coast. And again, cool and dry. The low around 30. The high should be in the middle 50s. This is the end of the forecast period, Monday the 20th. Fairly quiet pattern, a little troughing across the plains. A surface low is near Kansas City. Rain, maybe some rain to the west of the state, but again, that looks fairly quiet. And the numbers, after a very mild weekend, next week highs go in the 50s and lows mostly in the 30s. We warm up again, we cool down again, but you can see the swings are not that extreme. No sign of any excessively cold air for the next 10 to 15 days. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes in the blog. My next video will be posted here Monday morning at 7 o'clock. Brian Peters, the man that looks like Colonel Sanders, will have these video updates tomorrow and Sunday. And if you can't catch us this evening on the live stream or on TV, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend, and God bless.